All right, you ready?
Yes.
Action. Okay.
Tango.
Hey! This young lady is awesome. Okay. My name is Jim. This is Christina. We are at ABL. Tonight we have the Tango Dance Party. So by the way, there's going to be a lot of tango playing tonight. So. All right. So what we did is we started with our basic step, which is slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Okay? Remember not to close the feet together because guess what? Her knee's in the way. There's no way I can close my feet. Okay, that's what you want. From that position, we're going to do half of a reverse turn, and then we're going to do our ronde, which was quick, quick, getting the weight on there. I do my ronde, and then I go into my promenade position. For my promenade position, I do slow, slow. She does the downy, the tie, downy fresh. Oh, and then she gets placed on the foot and goes into the open fan position. From there, we're going to do the change of place, bronze version. We have quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Then we end it with a fan, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. And as a bonus, we're going to be doing our right side fans, also known as swivels. Swivels, yes. So we have quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. By the way, it's not my birthday. So.
Then we have the first
Thank you,
tango
guys.
done to happy birthday.
I am taking requests.